importantly. But before that, let's go to the man himself, master of ceremonies, a popular man in Bangalore, MC Abbas. Abbas bhai,
आदाब अर्ज़ है
आप
विवेक भाई।
बड़े you're looking very sultan types.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। हमारे बाजू बैठे हैं तो
Nawab types.
शेर कर्नाटक, शेर मैसूर, शेर यजदा, हमारे भाई टीपू सुल्तान बन के हैं, आरसीबी के नंबर 1 फैन।
Okay.
सच अ प्रिविलेज एंड प्लेजर टू सिट विद यू एंड चलो इनके घर पे धाबा बोल देते हैं। इतना जबरदस्त फैंस में मेरे बिलिया मिलेगा, इतना पैसा कमा सकते हैं विवेक। चलो ऐसे ही कुछ करते हैं।
अरे ऐसे कुछ करते हैं, why not? But joining us on a News 9 Studios again is a very popular follower. She's Kavita. She sends a lot of messages to us on Sakat Slam Bang, so we decided to give her an opportunity. Thank you, Kavita, for joining us. You, in one of the messages, had typed that you are a bigger fan than Sinchana. You know Sinchana, right?
I think that
Yeah.
Everybody knows about Sinchana.
I know Pastor is going to kill me for that.
You said that you're a bigger fan than Sinchana. Sinchana is a regular caller from Mysore. I know she's going to call us again today before we even start, analyzing the game. But she's a bigger fan than Sinchana, and she's a big fan of MC. MC, दूसरा fan यार.
अरे वाह,
क्या हो रहा है यार?
No, I'll save you.
ये क्या हो रहा है?
Shooting.
No, but why do you feel so? Why do you feel so, Kavita? Why do you feel that you are a bigger fan than Sinchana of Abbas?
I feel she just calls, but I send SMS. I don't get the line, so I have not called. It's not my fault.
Okay.
But I'm a bigger fan than Sinchana, I feel. Yeah, that's right.
See,
Obviously.
every time you call up, you send messages for Abbas. What about others? What about Sham? What do you think about
Obviously,
Sham?
he's one of my favorite cricket expert. Yeah.
What? He's a cricket expert.
One of my favorite cricket expert.
Sham, let's.
One of my
MC, since Kavita is here and she's a fan and she's battling it out with Sinchana, why don't you give her a shairi?
क्यों नहीं, definitely hope Sinchana doesn't mind though. I have something special for her if RCB comes through to the finals and we're gonna have her. We can have both the pretty ladies in the studios with us.
Okay.
So ये आपके लिए और न्यूज़ 9 के लिए और हम सब के लिए
चलो।
शान भी है, शौकत भी है विवेक मेरे भाई,
ठीक है, बोलो।
स्पेशली फॉर यू,
अर्ज
यू
करता
मेक
हूँ।
दिस हैपन।
Very nice.
अर्ज कर रहा हूँ।
हाँ।
शान भी है, शौकत भी है,
वाह वाह।
दिल भी है, दौलत भी है।
वाह वाह।
शान भी है, शौकत भी है, दिल भी है, दौलत भी है। लेकिन मेरे दोस्तों, लाख जौहर हो आपके पास, एक न्यूज़ 9 का सकत स्लैम बैंग नहीं तो कुछ भी नहीं।
वाह 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 वाह। अरे अब्बास, आपने तो स्टार्टिंग में इतना धमाल कर दिया, तो आई ऑल्सो फील लाइक सिंगिंग योर सॉन्ग। कविता, आई माइट वांट टू से सम थिंग्स टू यू। अब्बास, करेक्ट मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग। तो मेरे सामने वाली कुर्सी में एक सकत स्लैम बैंग की फैन रहती है।
वाह वाह वाह।
और वो और कोई भी नहीं, वो मैसूर की सिंचना है। अब्बास, the girl we have all been listening to
Oh my God.
from so many
Sinchana.
days is Sinchana, and that was the surprise for you and for
my
our viewers.
God.
Ladies and gentlemen, take a very close look at Sinchana once more.
so
She
happy.
is our faithful and
Loyal
regular
fan.
caller who always follows Sakat Slam Bang, loves our interviews, loves our panel discussion, our panelists, and more importantly, Abbas, she loves your shairi.
Thank you. I'm completely awestruck today. Awestruck. I think this is a pleasant surprise.
Okay.
Thank you, Sinchana, for being here. This means a lot. Though you sound differently on the phone and differently here. But,
Yeah, that's the power of probably listening to somebody's voice and seeing them live, isn't it?
but it's fans
Remember,
like
it reminds me of my radio days. That's how I used to always think about fans.
absolutely.
When they call up. Anyway, Sinchana, how do you feel being in our studios? We've always wanted to have you here, and finally you're here.
Such a warm thing, and I'm just so glad that I'm sitting next to Abbas sir. And in the studio, it's really very welcoming. I felt very good. Even Bangalore is the same. Very welcoming people, very warm people. I just love it.
Abbas, just to ask you, every time she calls you or me, sir, how does it feel? I don't feel nice.
सर नहीं, बहुत जैसे मैंने कहा था, आग तो सूरज में जलना ज़मीं को पड़ता है, मोहब्बत करती ही निगाहें, तड़पना दिल को पड़ता है। वैसे दिल तड़पता है जब ये सर कहती हैं, कुछ भी बुला लो सर, और भैया मत बुलाओ, और अंकल भी मत बुलाओ, शादी भी नहीं हुई है।
IPL के बाद हम T20 मैट्रिमोनियल लीग स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं।
Yes,
उसके
बिल्कुल।
लिए एप्लीकेंट्स ओपन है।
Are open for
Okay.
me, Tipu Sultan, and that's it. And one more thing, since अभी सिंचना है, सिंचना के लिए कुछ स्पेशल शायरी तो मानना
Please,
बनता है बॉस।
please.
तो उनकी आंखों में आंखें डाल के कहना चाहूंगा मैं,
अरे वाह।
आसमां में बादल गरजता होगा, मौसम भी अपना रंग बदलता होगा, जब जब भी उठती है निगाहें आपकी, खुदा भी गिर गिर के संभलता होगा, पूरा न्यूज़ 9 संभलता होगा, विवेक मैं और सब कुछ गिर गिर के संभलता होगा आपके आंखों के साथ।
Oh my God, flattered. Yeah.
Flattered? Sinchana, are you able to breathe?
Complete.
Saas lo. She's flying high. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, let's just get back to serious business now. The phone line is another fan and a very, very loyal fan like Sinchana and a lot of other callers. Usha Rao. How are you, madam?
Yeah, good evening.
Yes.
I have once again written a few lines on RCB and the interesting contest that's going to come up shortly.
Okay.
The lines are in English with a dash of Kannada and Hindi.
Lovely.
So
Lovely.
here I go. Yeah, here I go.
Please.
High school Dhoni versus fiery Kohli. मुकाबला होगा शानदार, हमने है जान ली. RCB is taking on CSK. नामे के लोग doubt या के. ABCD is the alphabet, but it's ABD now. C is out. Unpredictable as the weather is Chris Gayle. Hey, this is a crunch match, so better not fail. Spearheading the bowling is Mitchell Stark. He is the silver lining to any cloud that is dark. The trio of Mandeep, Patel and Chahal मचा देंगे धूम और चहल पहल. 6 ಕೋಟಿ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರ ಆಸೆ ಕಾತುರತೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಬಲಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಇರುವಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತೆ. Come on boys, beat them all ends up. You are just 2 steps away from winning the cup. Thank you.
Wow, fantastic, madam. Fantastic.
You know, it'll be better if you come to our News 9 studios and do the same thing. It'll be so nice to have you in our studios like Sinchana is here.
I have been a regular to
I know. Come back. Return of Usha.
But you have to invite me for that.
We have. We always.
Let's see on Sunday.
The studios are open. If RCB makes it to the finals,
We're gonna
then
have
you've got to come here to the studio and support the home team.
And
Yeah,
ma'am,
sure.
I've got something
Thank
special
you.
to tell you. That
All
was
right.
brilliant,
All
well
right,
pitched
Abbas,
and
we're
fantastic.
running short of time. We'll just go to the next caller. Thank you so much, Usha, for joining us. Sukumar ji, your pick for today. I don't have to ask.
There is no doubt at all RCB going to win.
Okay, awesome. What do you have in your hand?
So just this I'm going to give a surprise to Sinchana. So I never expected, my idea was different. So after coming to this,
He's giving it on my
giving
behalf.
which I got it from the RCB team.
Okay.
So my idea was different. After coming here, I
Just
thought
to clarify, you're married, no, sir?
I'm married 100%.
Acha, very nice. Okay.
So she's my sister. I'm going to give to my sister,
Beautiful.
not a friend also.
Okay, beautiful.
Fantastic. Round of
Congratulations.
applause. Wow, great.
Awesome. So I think that is.
So it's a
Sister.
priceless gift. Please make one lamination and keep
For
forever.
sure, sir. Thank you
And
so
please,
much.
time-
You're a lucky girl.
Lovely. Thank you.
And time Rakhi Sinchana.
What about you?
मैं
Should I you or Rocky?
मैं
Rocky.
मेरे पास ना गिफ्ट
They'll become Rocky.
ना मेरे पास गिफ्ट है, कोई तोहफा नहीं है और कुछ भी नहीं है देने के लिए, लेकिन दिल से कुछ लफ्ज आपके लिए कहना चाहूँगा मैं.
ठीक है.
फूल का शबाब भी क्या, उसका महताब भी क्या. फूल का शबाब भी क्या, उसका महताब भी क्या. आप तो आप हैं, आपका जवाब ही क्या.
Very nice. Very nice. It was more of a surprise for you that we got Sinchana and
Thank
for our
you.
viewers
Thank
and
you,
for
team.
Sinchana herself. Sinchana, your pick for today.
I think all the best to RCB's team. It was wonderful sitting in the studio and with such warm people. Seriously, too
Okay.
good. Felt very good, and all the best RCB team. I hope that at least this time cup is ours.
एंड ऑफ कोर्स आरसीबी को रोक सके इस आईपीएल में दम नहीं. आरसीबी को रोक सके इस आईपीएल में दम नहीं. ये आईपीएल 8 आरसीबी का है. आरसीबी में सबसे ज्यादा जबरदस्त दम है और जीतेगा. जीतेगा भाई,
नहीं, हम
जीतेगा.
बोलेंगे-
RCB जीतेगा.
जीतेगा
So there
भाई,
will be a
जीतेगा.
big
छोड़ो, हम बोलेंगे बम बम बोले.
And one more thing, Vivek, I want to share. So there will be a mini Diwali on Monday.
Absolutely.
right.
We'll hope for that.
Sunday night,
Satish,
sir.
your pick.
Sunday
I mean,
night.